now. Hey guys, welcome back to 1,000 Ways to Make Money. Okay, this is our episode number what?
Dude, I don't
know. So let's get started. So today, Nikesh is gonna teach us how to make money with catch.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Flowers.
So I want to ask you this, Satish. So let's say you're driving down a highway, okay, or some road and stuff. Do you see those flowers on the side?
On the side, I do.
Yes. So most of the times these are wildflowers, right?
Wild.
So you can find them on the side of the highway, side of roads. You can find, if you have like a wooded area behind your house, you can find these wildflowers.
For free.
For free, you know, there's no regulation behind these flowers. So what you need to do is go out there, right? One day, take some scissors or something and go and cut these flowers, okay? Cut them, make them nice, make sure they're all the same length, all that stuff. Once you cut them, bring them home, you know, kind of wash the bottoms, cut them more, make them look nice and everything. Then you need to tie them up with like, you know, a ribbon or something like that, or a piece of paper, something. Just make them look nice and appealing, you know, put 10, 15 of them together.
Like a rubber or anything.
Yeah, anything, you know, tie them and then put like 10 to 15 of them together.
Yep.
And then once you do that, go to either your local market, so, you know, those farmer markets. They have, what are the other type of markets that they have? They have like food markets, wholesale stuff. So go there.
Like Sprouts.
Yeah, exactly. So go there, set up a table, and then say that you're selling these bouquets for, you know, $5, $10, $15. I mean, people are going to buy it. You know, go inside any store and look at how much flowers cost, like $30, $50, $60. So if you sell them for $5, $10, $15, people are going to buy it to you. And guess what? You spent no money. All you did was go outside and cut the flowers and put them together.
How about this? You know, how about I go to a park, right? On a Sunday or Saturday when there's a bunch of people, couples walking around, and you stay there with flowers. You know what men are gonna do?
Exactly.
They're gonna buy those flowers for their girlfriends, wives, and so on, right? So yeah, and they'll be willing to spend $20, $30 flower.
And guys, it's very simple. Easy to start. You right while you're watching this video, just run outside, see if there's any flowers there, cut them, sell them.
The point here is that you can make money, and even the smallest things like flowers, you're thinking, hey, so why would I do that? People who say, you know, why would I do that? Why would I do that? You won't make any money. Make sure you're actually doing these things. If you want to make money, you have to focus. You have to actually do it. Okay, so easy way to make money.
Easiest way.
How much do people charge? 20, 30, 15, 20 bucks?
Charge anywhere from 10 to 15 bucks because people will buy it, you know, because they already know flowers are $50, $60. So even if you charge 20 bucks, people will buy it.
And here's the thing, once you start making money, start growing nice flowers like roses in your backyard.
Exactly.
So yeah, that was 1,000 Ways to Make Money. That's it.
Yep. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little bell notification. So every time we post a video, you'll be the first one to know.
Yeah.
And then look in the links, or in the description, we'll have links to our newsletters and other goodies for you guys. And make sure to smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye-bye.